Okay, quick little video. Smitty here with you and just show you. This is our 7x14 V-nose enclosed cargo trailer 2021. It is. We use it to haul the bikes in, things of that nature. Man door, drop door in the back, up into there. So what we did, I didn't film the install, no need to do that. We installed a 200-watt solar system. Two 100-watt solar panels. We brought that down, made the mounts myself. Everything's mounted on. Brought that down in, bring that down into the trailer. Then we come around. So not quite done with everything yet, but we have one LED light mounted outside on the back. I'll put one on the man door. We have 3 LED lights mounted inside. We come inside. I have everything mounted up on a board. So we come into a 30 amp controller, down into the battery, out of the battery to 1100 watt inverter, up into a 12 volt fuse block, and that's then where we have our switches for lights, and then we'll hook up everything else and kind of bring it back to you when it's all finished and said and done. Smitty with you.